Hello, hello. Thank you for all of your wonderful messages about my last video on my favorite ingredients. So I decided to do another one. Here are 3 more of my favorite ingredients that I love to keep stocked in my kitchen for last minute, delicious, nutritious dishes. First up, coconut aminos. So you have to have a little salty component to balance out a recipe, and I love using this one. I'm always looking for the lowest sodium version, and so coconut aminos seem to have a very low sodium content, and it also gives a bonus of umami flavor. Yum. Lemon and lime juice. I always keep a bottle of this in my fridge because if you don't have a lemon hanging around and you want to make a recipe, it's really important to have the acid to balance, especially in those yummy, delicious dressings and sauces I love to make. So I always keep this on hand. I use it every single day. Finally, anyone that knows me knows I love sriracha. I love hot sauce. This is my favorite one these days. It is from Sprouts, and if you have one near you, I shouldn't even tell you because they often sell out, and probably because of me. So I love this one. Anyway, what are your favorites? Share in the comments below or keep sending me messages.